want to be, only on Kavi TV. And so guys, today I've come up with a tech video where I'm going to help you how to schedule your Instagram post from an application called Latter, and also how you can auto publish it to your Instagram feed directly. So stay tuned and watch this video because it's really amazing. Hey guys, Kavita here. So as I said, I'm going to show you today how you can schedule and post to Instagram automatically, how you can schedule almost 30 posts at a time to an app called latter.com. So let's go to the browser and type in latter. So here it is, latter, #1 Instagram scheduler for social media platforms. So all you have to do is you have to sign up to this app. You have to also download the application on your cell phone, as well as you also need to have a desktop account. So as I'm already having my account, so I'm just gonna continue, or else you can sign up if you're new to Latter. And I am getting signed in. So here it is, you can see it, this is the calendar over here. These are the posts which I use on my Instagram feed. So when you sign up, what you have to do is, after entering your details, you have to link your Instagram account to Latter app, and also you have to download the application on your cell phone to work, because when you schedule something, you get an notification to your cell phone when you want to post a picture to your Instagram account. Or you can also auto publish it, but you need an business account on Instagram to use that feature. So today I'm going to show you how you can schedule a post. So this is your media library and this is the calendar. So here are various options from where you can upload the media to the media library. So you have Dropbox over here, you have Google Drive, and also you can upload the media from your desktop, and also you can upload the media from your cell phone if you're using this application on your mobile phone. So I'm going to click on upload media. I have a post to make on Instagram, so I have a ready post over here. So I'm just going to open it, and this is the picture which is downloading in the media library. So I'm going to show you immediately. Till then the picture is getting uploaded. Let's see what is my Instagram account, how is it. So as you can see, this is the last post which I have made, and I'm about to post my next post to Instagram. So this is the picture I want to post. So this is uploaded, so I click on this image and I say create post. Alright, so I can write the caption whatever I want over here. I can crop it from here. I can crop this photo from here for various platforms, that is Instagram, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and all that. But as I am doing it for the Instagram, it is already into the square format, so I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to keep the picture as it is. So I have a caption already written over here, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it over here. Yeah, so I have a caption over here. You can also add emojis from here if you want. So let me add this emoji and some hearts. Okay, that's all. So you can also save these captions if you want for other pictures. If you want to use, you can then also add some hashtags. So you can get hashtag suggestions over here. I don't know what. So you just start typing. Let's say mindset. Here's that. Goal setting. Goal setting. And what else you can type is, let's say, law of traction, written goals, next. You see, and you can keep adding your hashtags as you want. So next thing you can do is you can set your time and date. So today is 8th October, so I'm gonna set it to today only because I want to post this picture today itself. And I can also set the time, so you can set the time, you can select the time from the options which are available here. You can also edit it. So right now it's the current time is 12:41. So let's say I want to post this video, post this picture by 12, let's say 12:45. All right, so you can also, so there are two options: send notifications, which you have if you have this, you got to have this application on your cell phone as well. So if you're not a business account, you will receive a notification on your cell phone that this post is ready to be scheduled to Instagram account. Do you want to allow it? Then you have to just click on yes, and the post gets on the application. Instagram application is automatically open and you get to post it. You can edit it again if you want to. If not, and if you are into a business account, you can schedule it automatically. So my Instagram account is a business account, so I'm going to click on auto publish and I'm going to say save. Okay, so this photo will be automatically getting posted to my Instagram account, and I won't be getting any notification on my cell phone. So I say save. So this is one way you can do it. And the other one, so you can see that this post is already here and you can see that auto is already written over here. You can also, there's one more way to schedule your post. How you can do is you can drag and drop. So for example, I click this picture and I want this picture to be posted tomorrow on my Instagram feed at 9 a.m. So I just drag and drop it over here. So on 9 Tuesday, if you want to add any caption, you can write it right away or whatever you would like to. Hey, good morning, friends. So I'm just typing it for right now, and you can also then again choose if you want to auto publish or you want a notification to be sent to your cell phone, and you can do that. All right, so the thing, so now you can see for 1 month you can, on a free latter account, for 1 month you can schedule 30 posts. So I have already used 3 posts for this month, so now I have 27 Instagram posts left to be posted to my Instagram account from this application. And if you want to schedule more, you can anytime upgrade your plan. Also, if you want to use pictures through latter, if you want to post pictures through latter which are more than 5 MB, you also need to upgrade a plan for that. So these all pictures are less than 5 MB. That's the reason I'm using the free account. So that is the thing. This is how you can automatically post your account. So let's say this is the another post I want to create and I want it to be posted on 10th of October at, let's say, 4 p.m. So I just drag and drop at the time. I say that, hey, this is a great affirmation for you to enjoy, and I say save, and it's automatically saved, right? So this is how you create. You can anytime come back to the desktop or the mobile app and you can change your settings, your Instagram, your hashtags, your caption. So your caption, not your Instagram, and it will be automatically posted, you see. So that's all for today. Let me know how did you like this video. If you want any more information about such apps or the latter app itself, let me know in the comment box and I'll be happy to help. So let's see if my post has been updated to the Instagram account because it is already 12:45. So let's click over here, let's refresh this page and let's see if it's been posted or not. It's still not posted. What's happening? I think it still has been posted. Let's open it again. I think I've got a notification on my cell phone. Okay, yeah, here it is. It's already posted. Yay! I don't know what's wrong over here. Yeah, so it's refreshed now. So you can see, guys, this is the post is automatically already published over here. Yeah, see, right now only. Yeah, this is posted 49 seconds ago. Cool, so that's awesome. You see? Yeah, so that's how you do it, and we're done. Thank you so much. Bye.